I'm Monia. Welcome to your pole dance class. Today we will learn chair spin and chair spin variations. As well, we will learn today chair spin variations with transition to move you already know from the class before, front hook. Chair spin will start exactly with the same positioning of your body on the side of the pole as we did when we were doing front hook spin. Right arm up, shoulder away from your ear, very strong core. This time your outside arm has to be on your belly button line. Why? Because this arm will stop your hips from swinging forward. This arm has to be here in order to balance your body. Right arm up again, left arm down. I will only show you right now in a static position how the spin will look like. It's a chair spin, so your body will exactly look like a chair. 90 degrees. And again, as you remember from class before, your upper arm is to hold you. So here is pull. Your lower arm is to push. As you can see, your lower arm will separate your hips away from the pole. Remember, your hips shouldn't be attached to the pole and your shoulder shouldn't be next to your ear. This is the difference. So right now we'll start with the spin. Right arm up, step on your inside leg. You can start with arm already on the pole, or you can, while you are creating the momentum, you can add your outside bottom arm a little bit later. It's up to you. We'll start first with arm attached to the pole, step on your inside leg, outside leg. Straight will create the momentum and lift your feet up, bring your knees close, straight back, create nice chair position and land nicely down. Now I will show you when to add arm if you want to add your bottom arm later. Step on your inside leg, outside leg is creating the momentum, and same time I will add my arm. And then gently on your toes. We'll perform the same spin on the left as many times as you have to in order to feel that you are performing this exercise well. Step on your inside leg, outside leg is always the one responsible for your spin. Remember, not inside. Step around and perform beautiful chair spin. There are a couple of chair spin variations. The first chair spin variation will be your outside leg will cover your inside leg. So you will sit like you are sitting on the chair in a very, very tiny dress. You will have to put your outside leg on your inside leg. Right arm up, step on your inside leg, and now outside leg is creating momentum, and look, is covering my inside leg. Point your toes, lift your knees up, and go down. Of course, you are performing the same spin over and over again on the right and on the left. Now I will show you a different variation, having your left arm up. Right now, I will bend my inside leg and my outside leg will stay straight. So it's a variation when your outside leg will be straight and your inside leg will be bent. Like an L sit. Step on your inside leg, outside leg straight, creating a momentum. Knees together, strong core, point your toes, and land gently down. It's also very, very good exercise, conditioning exercise for your strength of your core, shoulder. So you can as well use this move as your pole conditioning exercise. The one more and last variation is chair spin with 2 straight legs. So let's call it even L-shaped spin. Step on your inside leg, position of our upper body doesn't change at all. Step on your inside leg, outside leg is creating momentum, and lift your legs up and gently down. Last is a transition from chair spin. So let's come back to your first beginner chair spin, and from here we will come back to move which we learned on the last class, front hook. Because as you can see, position of my upper body is very similar as a front hook spin. From here we will start with chair spin, and from chair spin I will open my knees and I will put my inside leg on the front of the pole. Will have my feet together, creating a beautiful diamond shape. And as you remember, I can as well do a variation of the move, and I will land nicely. The same transition I will perform for you on the left side. Remember, keep practicing over and over again so you feel stronger, more comfortable, and you can improve how your transitions looks like. Left arm up, step on your inside leg, outside leg is creating momentum, chair spin, front hook variation, and as you remember, if you feel comfortable and safe, you can let go your bottom arm. Thank you, don't forget to practice, and see you on the next class.